Come on, car, do it. Do it, do it, do it! We're back. Yeah, this is driving me cuckoo. Just whack it. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're coming to you from inside my all-time favorite car. Yeah, this is my 1998, I believe, Mercedes S320, the big W140 chassis. And as you can see, I love this car. It is in perfect condition. This is the one that was painted by my good friend over at Mako, and it looks just amazing inside and out. I am having one problem with the car after 200 and how many thousand miles? 244,000 miles, I think. And I'm going to show you what's going on. Let's get to the highway and I will tell you what's going on, and then I'm going to show you the fix. At lower speeds, you can see the steering wheel is fine. It's off a little bit. The problem is affecting the steering on the car. Okay, so I'm going 40. We'll get up here to 50. I'm still on a residential street, so I don't want to go too fast. And we're fine at 50. We're actually fine at 60. Above 65, 70, and around 80, something starts to happen. So when we get on the highway, I'll show you what's happening. And yeah, there's a definite pull to the right because of this issue. All right, we're going to get on the highway here. Hopefully this truck in front of me is going to speed up quickly because I have an exit I got to get to. But we're doing fine right here. This is 45. Look at the miles per gallon. I love this car. I just cannot tell you how much I really, really love this car. So we'll kind of hurry up here. We'll get in front of this guy, and now watch the steering wheel as we get up here. Get over here. And as I get up to, I can start feeling it build right up here. Well, it's not showing in the steering wheel. Usually the whole steering wheel is going like this. Maybe it's because I was toying around with this part and I kind of got it moved into a position. I don't know, but I can certainly feel it in the wheel, you know, at 85, and it just kind of, it's really a little concerning. The whole wheel is kind of going like this, and then the car starts to shake and the car is not happy at all. So I've ordered a part for it. We'll get the car home and I will show you how we fix it for about, I don't know what I spent on the part, maybe $100. We'll see. Come on, car, do it. Do it, do it, do it! It's not doing it for me now! But I do have a definite pull that I have to address. But this steering wheel, yeah, it's just not gonna show right now. Doggone it, I don't want to get a ticket either. Under direct supervision of Benzo, this is the problem. Benzo, how you doing today? Thank you for showing off. Look. That is a hint of what is to come. Yep, the rat wagon coming back to the channel. This is the problem, and this right here is the solution. So let me kind of show you. If you can take a tire and move it this way. Okay, this is either an outer tie rod or an upper control arm bushing. If you can go this way, it's your control arm ball joint, okay? Because I can do this, I can actually see what's happening right in here. Okay, so come on in here and let me show you if I can do this with just one arm. Look at that. That's my upper control arm right there. See it moving? See it moving right there? Yeah. Now on some cars, this is difficult to do, like on the previous model, the W126, the control arm bolt actually goes right through there, which means you have to get in to this part of the engine bay, and on one side it can be a problem. Same with the W210s. This one though, as you can see, has bolts 1, 2, 3, 4 with access through the wheel well, which is fantastic. So I have purchased a good one. This is a Lumforder, and this is going to be a huge change. Okay, I think this comes from FCP Euro, and it is quality, all right? So what we have to do is just take off the wheel, and I'll show you the bolts. All right, this is what we have going on right here. These are H8 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right there. I have an 18 here and here, so let's get this off first. I do love my PB blaster. I love it, I love it, I love it. Even though I make a mess. All right, there we go. We're gonna let that soak for a little bit. Then we'll come back, hopefully spread this enough to get the ball joint out, and then I can get those bolts out. We do have to support this from underneath, so let me get another kind of a jack or something just to hold him in place. We're back. Yeah, this is driving me cuckoo. This is a way to wear the mic so you sound good, or so they say. Anyway, we're back. It's another day. We've had to invest in another tool. Okay, mine died. My little earthquake that I had it forever thanks to my good friend Randy. This was a Christmas gift. Years ago, he got me the big one and the little one and the other one. And I have been using them ever since. And the big one finally died, so I had to get the Bauer brushless 5 amp hour, whatever, 20 volt. And I could barely get that one bolt off on the top. So it's time to get the bottom one off. These two will come off easy. These two were a pain in the rear end. So I've got a zip tie right here to hold this in place. I've got an 18 here and here. We loosen this, and then this ball joint pops up, and I have this to kind of hold everything in place. I've got another jack right here so this doesn't swing down. I don't want to have to replace my brake line. So I'm trying to be smart and do this expeditiously, and I think it's going to work out great. I just need to get access to that the lower bolt there on the right. It's an E8. There's so much fun to do. So let me get this off, and then I'll show you what it's like trying to get that thing off, which the top one was so much fun. So an easy way to remove the upper control arm ball joint right here, just whack it. I put a screwdriver right in here and gave it a couple of whacks that way. And then all you really have to do, there you go. And see how that held it into place? There's no stress on this, which is fantastic. And if I move this up, yeah, I now have access to this bolt right here, which I don't know if it's going to come out or not. The top one I had to go, let me make sure this is in. Hold on. Yeah, I think we're ready. Here we go. Oh no, don't tell me I just stripped it out. Don't tell me that. Oh my gosh. Right, well, we got it out. This whole thing is hot. That was too much. Holy moly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get another bolt. I'm not putting that back in. Heck no. Wow. All right, well, with 6,000 foot-pounds of torque, that was fun. Let's see if we can get this one out. That one just pops right out. And now this one too. Oh my gosh. Holy hell. How much? This is unbelievable. Or my tool is really weak. One of the two. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. She's finally free. Yeah, these bolts, I don't know what, maybe this, where did it even go? This Bauer isn't, I've heard iffy things about them. Maybe I should have spent the extra money on a Milwaukee, probably so. But look at this, even after, this is a 98 or 97. So 27 years, almost 30 years, this is still half decent. It's just that it kind of let go right in through there. Wow. Okay, so out with the old, in with my new limb porter, you know, because nothing's too good for baby here. There it is. Look at that. That is so nice. Okay, so we'll get this all installed. There you go. Where's your part number? The old 11/05/2, whatever. There it is. We'll get this one in, level the wheel, tighten up these bolts, and we should be good to go. But I'm gonna replace one of my bolts. Yeah, that's a hot mess. Why was that so difficult? Whoa, where's the bad one? Here it is. Look at that. She's all rounded out, so we're gonna have to stop by and get another one. But let me get these 3 in there, and then we'll take this one down there and get a replacement at Ace or Lowe's or somewhere. But yay, finally, she's off. We're back from the store. Someone has decided to help out. What do you think about the bolt? Does that look about right? Does that look about right to you? Right there? Yeah, I think so. It's an M10 1.25. Okay, so it's gonna go back in here perfectly. Hopefully it's the same size on this side. And I'll put a little Loctite-A-Roni on it. And it's gonna be great. And it's gonna live right there. So let me put some blue thread locker on it. We'll put it in, torque it up, and then we're going to put this part together. Yay. There we go. After only one trip to the parts store, we have one upper control arm correctly adjusted. So I can kind of release this right now. There we go. Thank you for your time. We'll take the jack off here. Take the jack. We'll remove the jack. We'll put the tire on and we'll be done with the video. Look at that. This is great. This is, I say this every time I work on this car. I just love it more and more. 245,000 miles and it rides like a new car. It's beautiful. It's like that. We have one wheel attached. If I give her a good tug, you know, this way, left and right, nothing. Up and down, nothing. I've only got, well, the wheel's not going anywhere because that is great and I've replaced lots of parts before. So now I want to get the car aligned and we'll be finished. But it is sayonara for this little bolt. You held on very, very well for 25, 26, 27, 28 years. Yeah. So look at that. We fixed a car. To check our work, we're taking the co-pilot. The best co-pilot ever. Yes, Miss Lola. Lola Falana La Sheepadoodle. She loves going for car rides. She loves her little monkey pet right there too. Okay, so let's see how we did. It's been a day, I'll tell you that much. So in addition to this car, we were working on, take a look at this picture. Yeah, we were working on the rat wagon. I dropped a tool right on my nose. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. But that video is coming to the channel, just in case you were wondering. And yes, I still do have the rat wagon, and I finally found a transmission for it. I love this car. I love my Lola. Okay, good girl. Let's see how we did. Did we fix the rattle? Not the rattle, the shaking with the new control arm? Fingers crossed. All right, we're back from the highway, and all is well. I mean, there's still a little pull to the right, so I'll take this to my my mechanic. These 2 guys started their own garage in a little town called Jinx, Oklahoma, and I love taking cars to them and giving them business. They're super nice, and they're really, really good. So we have done good, Lola. We did really, really good. There's no shake. We had her going 80, 90, maybe a little bit above that, and all was well. I didn't want to film it because, you know, you don't want proof of that. But it's doing great. I love this car. These are the best Mercedes ever, in my opinion. And you, Lola, are a great dog. So we're gonna go celebrate. We're gonna get some ice cream, and we're gonna finish the day happy with strawberries and ice cream. We made it back home. We have Andy's frozen custard and strawberries. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate. And then we got the, for our second part of our celebration, we have strawberry shortcake. Yep, it's gonna be a good day. Gonna be a good day here at the Monkey Wrench Mike house. Anyway, big thank you for watching. I'm glad that you guys have joined me on this journey. I gotta tell you, these W140s, this Mercedes, this 1998 S320 is the best car I have ever had. 245,046 miles, and it runs and drives just perfectly. Cold air conditioning. I got good tunes, comfortable ride, quiet as can be, and it's just like a tank. And everybody says that about these cars, but this does. It's heavy, and I feel so safe in it, and I love every minute that I spend in it. And so I do certainly want to keep it as long as I possibly can, so when something does go kind of awry, a little shake in the steering wheel, that turns into a project and it turns into a video for you to watch. And I certainly appreciate that. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. We're back with another video. We have the transmission swap coming up on the Rat Wagon, and I have, of course, those vehicles right over there. The 1986 420 SEL, and I got that Lexus that is really not making me very happy right now. It's a 2007 LS 430, and if you look on the other side of the gate right there, the truck, my Dodge Ram 1500 from 2004 is going into the shop for a little bit of work. Nothing major, but maybe we'll make a video on that because everybody seems to love my truck. I don't know. Everybody loves Lola too. So Lola, you gonna say goodbye? Say bye-bye. No? Okay. Well, we'll see you again very, very soon, everybody. Love you. Bye-bye.